At EPS Australia, we understand that your NBD, combo, and hydro trucks are the heart of your business. That's why we offer comprehensive servicing solutions designed to keep your units running reliably when you need them most. Our team of certified technicians has years of experience specific to the Australian industry. We use the latest technology and best practices to ensure your vehicles remain in optimal condition. From preventive maintenance to major repairs, we cover the full spectrum of services. EPS servicing goes beyond simply changing oil and filters. We test and optimize every critical component. High-pressure hoses and reels, water pumps and valve systems, complete hydraulic systems, vacuum and suction systems, electrical and control systems, transmission and drive systems, all to ensure your assets operate at peak performance. The result, a reliable fleet that minimizes downtime and maximizes your productivity, because we know that in Australia, every working day counts. We're committed to delivering an exceptional client experience and take pride in our reputation for excellence built over years in the Australian market. Whether it's hydro, recycling, or combo solutions, EPS has your fleet covered.